y'all. It's a beautiful day. I'm in a good mood. I want to talk today. I realized I never introduced myself on this channel. My name is Maxie. Maxie. I prefer Maxie now. For some reason, I don't know why I never mentioned my name. I think I thought, watch out, police gonna come get me or investigate me. Ooh. Who went first? Okay. Y'all never be at a stop sign and kind of like just like who went first? Who's first? Anyway, um, I want to talk about my intention for this channel. This channel is gonna be bilingual because bilingual. It's gonna be Haitian Creole and English. My English subscribers, please don't leave. Don't leave. It's just that I speak Creole fluently and I speak English fluently as well. So I gotta talk to my Haitian people. When I see them, yo, kote nou ye. From pala avenu, from pala avenu. So I honestly been holding myself back because I was a little, of course, I'm intimidated by the Haitian community. I'm gonna say it because us Haitian, we come strong. So I'm like, what if my mom see this? What if my grandma see this? Like, so I've been intimidated, but I'm ready now. I'm ready. Okay. And my next video is gonna be in Haitian Creole. I'll put it as a section, the Haitian Creole videos and English videos. So I will still do English contents, but I will also add more Haitian Creole contents because I gotta talk to my Haitian people. Like, I gotta talk to my people. I gotta talk to y'all. I have some stuff to tell y'all. Fun ballet. So this is basically what I wanted to mention. Where's this going? So yeah, that's my intention for the channel. And I also basically want to talk about mental health. I want my channel to be about mental health for the Haitian community, for ex-witness community overall, because I feel like we don't talk about that enough. And it's hard. After leaving, it's not easy. It takes a toll on us mentally to try to keep going, to keep moving forward despite everything. Because some of us have worse stories than others. Everybody's story is different, but some are worse than others. And mentally, how y'all do it? Because it's hard in these streets. It's hard. It's hard, okay? We gotta talk about that. We gotta talk about it. So we're gonna talk about it. Some things I have in mind that I will share. And if you guys have any suggestions what to talk about, my channel is open. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll write it down. The name on Instagram, it's Maxie. Like, it's Maxie. I'll write it down. I'll put it on this video somewhere. But yeah, so thank you guys again for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. And there's more to come. And I really appreciate y'all support. We will talk some more. Okay? Y'all have a great day.